Who sing that song? I hate one. Cannot lah, I haven't had my first kiss like yours.
I still don't have.
I know you should. Shut up.
Okay lah, shit. Hey Janson, your buy car.
Buy car for what? Never get my license?
This car selling for 10 ringgit, you know. You buy this car, right? They free you one free Mercedes. Serious?
Go lah! You don't...
Why your phone so scary, right? Change another one lah.
I didn't put this ringtone also. I never had this ringtone in my phone.
Your girlfriend call, right? Hey, you didn't pay Tenaga National lah.
Didn't pay also one flicker like that, right?
How you know? Maybe they testing?
Hey, someone is no number one. Sure, sir, what?
Hello!
He's still flickering.
I'm the soul from the dead!
What's soul from the dead?
I'm scared with Janson.
Hang out with me!
Wait, don't hype. Go away.
Officer, don't take me, I'll go take Janson, take Janson!
Still too young for that.
I'm still a virgin. Officer, sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Doing this.
Janson, you slept on John's stick. I'm scared already, Janson. I don't want to
Where's the voice? Where's the voice?
I'm still a virgin.
Oh wait, where's the voice? He was only talking to us a moment ago. Is everything okay now? Did you really do anything or not?
No lah. You step on the joystick, right? I heard when you step on Chinese joystick, right?
Don't be so superstitious, lah, come on.
No, I'm serious.
Was that just a joke from someone or something?
Forget about just now lah. I think it was our imagination.
Some weird imagination.
Yeah lah. Let's watch the movie again.
Hey, you see lah. Xiao.
Yeah, I like this song.
Hey, that's my favorite dude.
Yeah lah. My dude's gonna kill your dude lah.
My dude has got superpower.
So what? I got 2 dudes with superpower.
He has 3 henchmen.
Eh, why the TV off one suddenly?
I think it's just a black screen.
Like you set on the control lah, your face.
Ah, what's that?
Janson, what are you going to do? The knife lah.
Are you ready?
Okay, I got my frying pan.
Just go now! Wait, where did you go?
Go away.
Janson, the ghost scratching the door.
Why your room so messy?
Hey, what the hell? Help me!
Help me!
The ghost chasing me.
Go away lah, ghost.
Hey, stop right here.
Wait, maybe the ghost went away.
They lock the door this way. The bomb I called just now.
What is it? What is it? Call the mom.
It says that
Hey,
the ghost is afraid of happy
SMS.
ringtones. Wait. The ghost is afraid of happy ringtones. Wait, let's try.
Ja, makes sense huh? Just now it's scary ringtone, he come up. Happy ringtone, he go away! Yes! High five!
You're such a genius!
I know lah, I'm the man
That's the
lah.
way. That's the way. Come on, let's choose.
Let's choose one. Okay, that ringtone sounds happy.
Yeah, that one.
One miss. Wait. Oh shit, this is the call just now. Wrong. Oh, change. Oh my god. Another ringtone. Shit, this is coming. Where's another ringtone? Wait. So many books on the floor. Here. Keep it. Wait, why the Bomo stupid? Promoter the law.
This is Janson, the Scaredy-cat. This is Alric, the house guy. Oh my god. Action like Woon.
Halo? Salut? Sunt eu, un haiduc și te rog, iubirea mea primește iubirea.
This is our director.
Our director! He cutted a lot of our important scenes.
Yes.
Cut.
What a good director, eh? Oh, dance time!
Thank you.
Te sun